Hello. Today we will go over how to read your high school transcript. Things that we will talk about. Reading your transcript and graduation requirements. Where do you stand? Transcript checked. First, find the number of credits earned on your transcript and credits attempted. You will find these in the top right-hand corner of your transcript. Make sure all credits earned, including middle school credits, are on your transcript. Check your transcript against the graduation requirements and see where you stand. Why is it important to know how to read your transcript? Why is it important? For one, college admissions, college applications, and decision making. Colleges often have specific admission requirements and preferences regarding GPA, class rank, and types of courses taken. Students need to understand their transcripts to know how competitive they are as applicants. Academic planning, course selections. High school transcripts provide a comprehensive record of the courses a student has taken and the grades they received. This information is crucial for academic advisors and students when planning future coursework. Rigor of courses. Colleges and employers not only look at GPA, but also consider the difficulty of courses taken. Understanding one's transcript helps students assess the level of rigor in their academic history. Setting goals. By understanding their academic performance, students can set realistic goals for improvement and work towards achieving those goals. Personal development, identifying strengths and weaknesses. A transcript allows students to identify areas where they excel and areas where they may need improvement. This self-awareness is valuable for personal and academic growth. Personal accountability. Ownership of learning. Knowing how to read and interpret a transcript empowers students to take ownership of their learning journey. It encourages them to be proactive in seeking academic support, making informed decisions, and advocating for themselves. Graduation requirements. In order to graduate, students need 23 credits in total. Of those 23, students must have 4 math credits, 4 science, 4 English, 3 social studies, health and personal fitness, 3 CTAE, also known as career tech and or world language and fine arts credits, and at least 4 general electives. General electives can be PE, weight training, so forth and so forth. CTAE electives can be art, dance, intro to business tech, Spanish or French. Grade level promotion requirements. In order to be promoted from ninth grade to 10th grade, students must have at least 5 credits. Within those 5 credits, you must have 1 math, 1 English, 1 science credit. In order to be promoted from 10th grade to 11th grade, students need to have at least 10 credits. Of those 10 credits, 2 needs to be math, 2 needs to be English, 2 needs to be science. To be promoted from 11th grade to 12th grade, students must have a total of 16 credits to be promoted. And of those 16 credits, 3 have to be English, 3 must be math, 3 must be science. So activity 1. With a partner, take a few minutes and complete the example of the academic status report given by your teacher or the one sent to your student email. Here is a copy of a former student transcript. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see the student's GPA, weighted and unweighted, credits attempted, credits earned, so forth and on. The South Cobb High School Academic Status Report. Again, in order to graduate with 23 credits from South Cobb High School, students must have 4 maths, 4 English, 4 science, 3 social studies, health, personal fitness, 3 CTAE electives, and 4 general electives. So for every English credit that you have, you can either put a check in the box or the actual grade. If you failed a course, leave it blank. The blank boxes will allow you to know the requirements or credits that you still need to get in order to graduate from high school. Now, share with a partner some of the things that you learned from completing this transcript exercise. Are you close to graduation? Did you learn something new? Do you have more work to do? What are some things that you've learned during this particular exercise as it relates to you graduating high school? If you have questions regarding graduation questions, scheduling, or anything, contact your school counselor. If your last name is A through BOI, grades 10 through 12, and magnet students, your counselor will be Jennifer Higgins Brooks. If your last name is BOJ through GA, grades 10 through 12, your counselor is Deidre Freeman. If your last name is from GE to MACH, grades 10 through 12, your counselor is Ms. Smith. If your last name starts from MACI to Roberts, grades 10 through 12, your counselor is Ms. Worthenberg. If your last name starts from Robertson to Z, grades 10 through 12, your counselor is Ms. Cox. All 9th grade, your counselor will be Patrick Wright. And again, this is first time incoming 9th grade, class of 2027. If you are what we call 9R or SOAR, your counselor is Ms. Monique Martin.